Welcome to Learning Bites. We're looking at the stretch zone. Things that are healthy are growing. Things that are growing are stretching outside of where they currently are. As we grow and develop within ourselves, what we find is that we become very capable and competent at certain things. However, if we're to keep growing, we've got to stretch outside of what we're capable and competent at into an area where we're not so capable and not so competent and therefore not so confident. For a lot of people, that's the fear zone. They don't want to go into that space because they like the comfort of being capable, competent, getting the results they want to achieve. However, growth demands that we go outside our comfort zone. Growth requires entering new spaces, which is where fear lurks. And if we want to get rid of the fear, we've got to go into the space. I remember when I very first started doing overseas and international traveling, the first couple of times I went were plagued with, do I have visas? Where do I need to park the car? Where do I pick it up from? How do I check in? Where do I go to? It was very energy draining just having to think of all of that stuff. Once I had done it multiple times, I now get to the point where I can fully enjoy the experience of what I'm doing and be fully present in every moment because I'm capable and competent, and I have lots of confidence in that space because I've done it a lot of times. And I've got a new stretch zone beyond that. And that's what happens as we grow and we get better at things, we're able to tackle more things. It's important to realize that you've got to be prepared to be bad at something before you can be good at it. When you can be bad at something, you can then learn it, and as you learn it, you become better at it. As you go into this week, which areas do you possibly need to accept that you've got to just suck at it for a while? You've got to be bad at it for a while so that you can get better, so that you can grow. What areas might you be holding back on because of the discomfort of not knowing and the uncertainty of what will it be like when I try that or when I get there? I encourage you to actually take the step, go into those spaces and be prepared to put in the effort that will allow you to become capable and competent. As you do that, you will grow within yourself, you'll be of more service to others, and you'll be able to achieve more fulfilling things in your own life. Here's to your success. Thanks so much for watching. If any of this resonated and you'd like to reach out, feel free to give me a call on 0272 987 523 or email me at mike@thinkrite.co.nz. Or if you would like some additional resources, go to our website www.thinkrite.co.nz.